case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1985, the Kansas Supreme Court heard Walters v. Hitchcock, a case centered around doctor-patient confidentiality and juror misconduct. Lillian K. Walters underwent thyroid gland surgery, but the procedure went awry, causing her respiratory distress, blindness, and a swollen head due to her surgeon, C. Thomas Hitchcock, cutting into her esophagus and failing to repair it promptly. As a result, Walters filed a medical malpractice lawsuit against Hitchcock and won $2 million in damages. Hitchcock appealed the verdict, alleging misconduct by Walters' counsel during the trial's closing argument, disputing the court's refusal to question jurors regarding alleged misconduct during deliberations, contesting the exclusion of expert witness testimony due to physician-patient privilege, and claiming the verdict was excessive. However, the court ruled in favor of Walters, stating that Hitchcock's appeal lacked merit and confirming that the legal system functioned correctly. The devastating impact on Walters' quality of life due to Hitchcock's negligence justified the $2 million damages award upheld by the court.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.